Tired of waiting forever for hot water when you just want a quick cup of tea or coffee? In this video, we're breaking down the best instant hot water dispensers that deliver near boiling water in seconds, save energy, and make everyday tasks faster and easier. Whether you need hot water for drinks, soups, or cooking, we've got you covered. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details on each product. Instant access to near boiling water can dramatically change how efficiently a kitchen operates. The InSinkErator Hot 250 hot water dispenser delivers approximately 200 degrees Fahrenheit water on demand through a sleek satin nickel faucet designed to blend with modern and transitional kitchens. Powered by a 750-watt stainless steel tank with a 0.67-gallon capacity, it provides consistent hot water for cooking, cleaning, and beverage preparation without waiting for a kettle. The metal construction ensures durability, while the adjustable temperature control allows users to fine-tune heat levels based on their needs. Its compact tank fits neatly under most sinks, and the faucet features a 360-degree swivel spout with a pull-forward handle to avoid backsplash interference. Safety is also prioritized through a spring-loaded handle that automatically shuts off water flow and dry start protection that prevents tank damage. Installation is straightforward for DIY users, requiring only a standard faucet hole and an under-sink power outlet. Users frequently praise the fast heating time, reliable performance, and attractive finish. However, some report occasional dripping issues over time. Overall, it's viewed as a premium, time-saving kitchen upgrade that balances performance, convenience, and design. Speed and convenience are essential for busy households and workspaces. The Dawnstar hot water dispenser provides hot water in seconds, making it an efficient alternative to traditional electric kettles. With a generous 0.8-gallon, 100-ounce, detachable water tank, it minimizes refills while supporting frequent daily use. This countertop unit offers 3 temperature settings: 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and boiling, along with 5 adjustable volume options, allowing precise control for tea, coffee, instant meals, or baby formula. Built with BPA-free food-grade materials, it ensures safety and peace of mind for everyday use. Protective features such as automatic shutoff, boil-dry protection, and overheat protection enhance long-term reliability. The compact modern design fits comfortably in kitchens, offices, dorms, or RVs without taking up excessive space. Customers often highlight its ease of use, accurate temperature control, and fast dispensing speed, noting that it simplifies meal prep and drink making. The lightweight build makes it easy to move, while the detachable tank adds convenience. Overall, users consider it a practical, good-value solution for instant hot water needs. Consistent hot water at the sink can make everyday tasks faster and more efficient. The InSinkErator Instant Hot Water Tank HWT00 is designed to work seamlessly with compatible InSinkErator faucets, delivering near-boiling water whenever needed. Its 2/3 gallon stainless steel tank is powered by a 750-watt heating element, offering reliable performance with adjustable temperature control. Built for durability, the stainless steel construction resists corrosion while maintaining heat efficiently. The compact design fits neatly under the sink, and installation is simple thanks to tool-free connections and standard electrical requirements. Dry start protection prevents damage if the unit is accidentally powered without water, extending overall lifespan. This tank is also compatible with optional under-sink filtration systems, allowing users to improve water quality while enjoying instant hot water. Customers often praise its plug-and-play installation and consistent heating for tasks like cooking, tea preparation, and steaming vegetables. Some feedback notes concerns about long-term durability and occasional leaks after extended use. Despite this, many users still view it as a convenient and effective upgrade for modern kitchens. Having both hot and cold water instantly available elevates daily hydration and beverage preparation. The Avida Ultra Instant Hot and Cold Water Dispenser is a bottle-less countertop system designed for convenience, flexibility, and clean taste. Featuring multi-stage filtration, it reduces chlorine, heavy metals, and odors without the complexity of reverse osmosis. This unit offers precise temperature control with 1 degree Fahrenheit adjustments, delivering hot water up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and chilled water down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Its sleek white and stainless steel design complements modern kitchens and offices, while quiet internal components ensure minimal noise during operation. Installation is user-friendly, with options for countertop placement or under-sink connection. Filter replacement is simple thanks to a twist-and-lock design, and each filter lasts up to 6 months, keeping maintenance manageable. Customers frequently praise the water quality, ease of use, and versatility for coffee, tea, and everyday drinking. While some note the replacement filters can be pricey, many feel the long-term savings and performance justify the cost. Overall, it's seen as a premium all-in-one hydration solution. Reliable hot water access can significantly simplify cooking and cleaning tasks. The American standard ASH110 hot water dispenser delivers over 60 cups of near-boiling water per hour through a brushed nickel open-vent faucet system. Its 2.5-quart stainless steel tank is powered by a 780-watt heating element designed for fast recovery and energy efficiency. Temperature is controlled via a manual dial, allowing users to select between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 200 degrees Fahrenheit for a wide range of household uses. Safety features include a self-resetting thermal fuse that prevents tank burnout during dry startup. The stainless steel build enhances durability while resisting corrosion. Installation experiences vary, with some users finding it straightforward and others noting less intuitive instructions. Once installed, customers generally praise its performance, consistent heat, and overall quality. It's often valued for making hot beverages and instant meals quickly without relying on a kettle or microwave. Overall, it's regarded as a dependable under-sink hot water solution from a trusted brand. On-demand hot water can enhance efficiency in both residential and commercial spaces. The Ready Instant Hot Water Dispenser system includes a brushed nickel hot and cold faucet paired with a powerful 1,300-watt stainless steel tank. With a 2.5-quart capacity, it can deliver over 60 cups of near-boiling water per hour. Users can manually adjust temperatures between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 200 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for beverages, cooking, and cleaning tasks. The tank features automatic shutoff and a self-resetting thermal fuse to prevent overheating or dry start damage. Installation is designed for DIY users, with the tank resting securely under the sink on rubber feet. Customers frequently highlight the instant heating, clean design, and cost savings on coffee and bottled water. While performance and value receive positive feedback, some users report durability concerns, particularly with plastic drain components over time. Despite this, many consider it a strong performer with fast heating and a stylish faucet that integrates well into modern kitchens. Large-capacity hot water availability is ideal for families and shared spaces. The Cuckoo hot water dispenser features a spacious 5-liter stainless steel tank, ensuring hot water is always ready without frequent refills. With adjustable temperature settings ranging from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, it supports everything from warm drinks to hot beverages. A built-in child safety lock prevents accidental dispensing, while delayed water flow adds an extra layer of protection. The stainless steel interior enhances durability and helps maintain consistent temperature, supported by insulating technology. A chlorine evaporation function reduces mineral buildup, promoting cleaner water and easier maintenance. Customers appreciate the modern design, large capacity, and ease of cleaning. Heating performance receives mixed feedback, with some noting quick heating and others experiencing longer warm-up times. Overall value opinions vary, but many users enjoy the convenience and control it provides. It's commonly viewed as a solid option for households needing a high-capacity, safety-focused hot water dispenser. Thanks for watching. Check the description links to find the best instant hot water dispenser and enjoy hot water anytime, hassle-free.